Hi, I'm David McMonagle, and this is another segment of You Can Cook. We've got a lot of requests for people asking about how we make our granola, and I'm going to go through that with you right now. It's really simple. There's about 3 or 4 steps, a bunch of different ingredients that I'll go over right now, but it's really easy to do, and it's a real crowd pleaser. Okay, so for the granola, and I'm doubling up on this recipe, but I'm going to tell you what it is, and we'll post it as well. It's 4 cups old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of sliced almonds, a ½ cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then for the liquid portion we have 1/3 cup of canola oil, a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of vanilla. And you want to preheat your oven to 325. Okay, so first thing that we do is we add our oats, and I'm doubling up, so I've got actually 8 cups of oats here. I have 2 cups of sliced almonds. I have 1 whole cup of brown sugar, and I have a ½ teaspoon of salt, which is this right here, salt, and then I have a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. So that's my dry stuff, okay? And what I'm going to heat up in this pan here is I'm going to put the canola oil. I'm going to put sugar. I'm going to put vanilla. And I'm going to put honey. As soon as we do this, we're going to take it over to the stove and heat it up. Okay, so once we add all of the ingredients that we're going to heat, I want to keep stirring it because it's going to get thick as it melts all of the sugar and the honey, and it all gets incorporated into each other, and it gets really thick, as you can kind of see here. Okay, so this gets poured all into this. That smells good. You can smell that vanilla. Alright, so then we just start. And I'm using salad tongs, so it looks pretty good. We've never done that before, but these work really good. And we're making an oat salad. But you want to get everything all incorporated. So then what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the cookie sheet as flat as we can. And it's going to cook at 325 for 30 minutes. But every 10 minutes, we've got to stir it up so nothing burns. I'm going to set the timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to stir it, put it in for another 10 minutes, then one last time for 10 minutes, 30 minutes total, and then we're done. Okay, so here's actually the second time I'm stirring. So this is 20 minutes into it, and I just want to make sure that it doesn't get too brown on top, so you mix it up. Okay, so once it's cooling out of the oven, I like to put it on parchment paper on the countertop and let it thoroughly get to room temperature, and then I'll package it up for Christmas presents or put it in jars for ourselves. And you try it.
Oh man, that's good.